Today we're going to do a little something different. We're going to do a little urban riding. We're going to go through Las Colinas, headquarters of many Fortune 500 companies here in the U.S. So let's go check it out. Just ahead is Williams Square. That was one of the original features of Las Colinas and still one of the most prominent buildings here, but it's really a beautifully designed building, and we'll get up closer, we'll see some sculptures of the horses, as Las Colinas was once a ranch, so it's obviously changed a lot, but it's a beautiful place nonetheless today.